Hi everyone, welcome to my video. If you don't know who I am Robin Kay. I am a Chalk Couture independent designer. If you don't know what Chalk Couture is, it is a DIY home decor direct sales company, and it's kind of like making beautiful things easy. And today I'm going to be using our Halloween phrases transfer. There's like 6 different phrases. I'm using these 3, and this is also part of the transfer. And I'm going to be waxing my board first. I'm using a Chalk Couture 6" by 18" double-sided board. Colors I'm going to be using, which is Presto purple, daffodil, orange peel, and shimmering shadow, and Spring Zing. Unfortunately, Spring Zing was from our spring summer catalog and is no longer available, and the purple Presto was a convention color that we got for convention, so those 2 you won't be able to get, but everything else should be available. And let's get started. And there we go. That worked out good. I really like it. It's a little high, but it's okay. I'm happy with it. And that's it for today. Please subscribe to my video. If you want to know anything about any of my stuff here that I've done today, check out my links below, and have a great day. Thank you.